Hello and welcome to the projectile hit detection in Neverwinter Nights demo. I'm Spartan, the developer, here to show you the features currently implemented. Keep in mind this is all still a beta, so there may still be a glitch or two. As those of you who have played Neverwinter Nights before may know, spells in the game don't have a great amount of interaction after the spell has been cast. Once cast on a target in line of sight, a spell will invariably land on a targeted object or location without fail, ignoring any obstacle. What projectile hit detection aims to do is provide an easy way to create or modify spells and abilities to use active collision detection while in flight. This allows enemies opportunity to dodge, take cover, or even jump in front of a spell to take it for an ally. Simultaneously, it makes the caster's aim more important. Basically, it takes skill shots from MOBAs into Neverwinter Nights. Projectile hit detection has been designed to allow easy access to collision detection through its API. The engine comes in just two scripts that can be simply imported into any module as is. By itself it won't change anything, but when you write a script that invokes it, the engine will handle all the spell's collision detection for you automatically based on how you configured that spell. You can do this to make a huge variety of spells. You could make a homing ball of fire that burns any enemy it touches en route to its intended target. Its damage will diminish with each hit. A ball of lightning that bursts with area of effect damage each time it makes a hit. Or you could make a completely new version of Finger of Death. That can be blocked by allies.
It is easy, see?
You could make slow projectiles. Really slow projectiles. Or you could make fast projectiles, also known as lasers. You can make almost any combination spell, often easily. In fact, all the spells you just saw were achieved with between 25 and 60 lines of code, and most only needed 35 or so, including comments. Some pre-existing spells were even recreated using substantially fewer lines of code by using the API. Not to say that any features were removed or were needlessly complicated, just that many common functions of these scripts were moved into the engine itself, such as area of effect damage. Now it only requires that you specify a radius. You can also configure the engine itself to hook into your own custom scripts for spell resistance, saving throws, object hit radius, and friendly fire. It allows the flexibility to specify even weird effectiveness percentages like 47%, or bonus effectiveness like 120%. By default, the engine attempts to mimic the way vanilla Neverwinter Nights handles them. Another feature is the ability to add a variety of flags which change a projectile's behavior, some of which are demonstrated here, such as homing projectiles and projectiles that blow up after the first collision. For those worried about performance, I'm always making improvements in this area. Currently, features exist such as hit prediction, which limits collision checks until a valid target actually gets close. Eventually, you'll be able to specify the exact resolution you want for collision detection. You can even tell it to use a custom script for a hit, allowing a scripter to take a complete control of how to handle a hit, with a little know-how. Thanks for watching this demo video to projectile hit detection in Neverwinter Nights. It's still under development, but you should see a link to the demo module and scripts pretty soon, with updates planned. But don't worry, I don't anticipate anyone needing to rewrite anything, so feel free to experiment on your own, and as always, have fun.